Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am drawing a portrait with graphite and I am drawing a portrait of a baby, and so you can also find it on my Instagram. You can see my logo there. So let's keep going, and I am first using a 10B pencil to outline all the hairs, and then I am gonna do some strokes. By the way, I am using Camlin 10B pencil. Okay, so now I am blending it with a smooth brush, that is a makeup brush, and then I am applying some highlights fast with the mono eraser. And it is also good to keep applying highlights, and always I prefer that use layering for your drawing, and never apply so much pressure that your paper can't hold that and the texture is ruined and you cannot do any highlights on it. And I am drawing some golden hairs in black and white, so they are not really dark and all that, so I have to be really calm and really careful while drawing these hairs, and drawing these hairs was so much fun. Okay guys, so now I am again applying some highlights with mono eraser, and I'm also using the pencil of 4B in between, and now I'm again using the 10B without pressure, but I am also layering in between, and then I'm using the 4B. And also now I am applying some light lines, and then I will apply the hair texture with the mono eraser. And now I am adding some more lines with 4B pencil, and also the other side of this drawing is completely light than the darker side. The side which I am drawing right now is not that dark. Okay, so now the hair are completed roughly, but when I will do detail I will show you. Okay, so now we are moving up to the skin texture, and now when we are drawing skin texture, I am basically first darkening the edges of the hairs so that it does not mix with skin and look really bad. Then I am applying a base layer with a 4H pencil I am having, because it's a rough paper, and I will also do a review of this paper later. And this is rough paper of Camlin, so it gets really dark on rough papers easily. And then I am applying the 4B pencil so that it does not get too much dark. So I will not use my 10B or 6B or either 8B. Then as I told you, this side is really light, so I have to also leave some space here as according to my reference. And also the eyes I have drawn with 10B pencil, and eyebrows with 4B and 4H, so they are also looking really good. Okay, so now I am drawing the other side of the skin, and first I will lightly shade with the help of 4H pencil, and then I will use the other pencil. Okay, so now I am gonna first do some shades of 4H, and there was some mistake, so I just have a light erase on it, and then I just reshaded with the help of 4H, and that went pretty well because that blended pretty well. And now after this blending part, I have been using the mono eraser to get some straight highlights in the face only. Now you can see that it is not that darker, so it can spoil your whole drawing. Okay, so now I have outlined the nose, and I am using the 4H and 4B pencil to get the shades in. Use the kneaded eraser for the highlights. It is a soft clay-like eraser. So now we will keep going with the highlights. So in the nose I am done, and I am now doing the part of the skin, and now I am applying some texture with the help of mono eraser, and looking really good. Now we have come to the mouth, and the shape of this mouth is a bit weird. This baby is crying, so he has made a mouth like a sad face, and this is pretty weird mouth. So the outlining process took time, like 5 to 6 minutes drawing this mouth, because I've get many mistakes because this mouth is really weird, and yeah, but I have to draw it. So I didn't just made it like I will not draw it, because it's a part of my reference. And then I made the teardrop. Then I am going to shade the ears, and for the ears I am only using the 4H, 4B and 10B. Basically only 3 pencils are used in this portrait, 10B, 4B and 4H. Only with 3 pencils I have made this portrait. and it's looking pretty realistic. So you can also use 3 pencils to create a portrait like this or other reference portrait. Now we are just nearly done with face, and now I'm moving to the neck. And with the neck, it's all the same process, just use the 4H, then 4B, and in some dark areas I'm using the Camlin 10B pencil. It is also great and dark like art line, and on rough paper, I think 4B is also getting really dark. So I'm not doing excessive use of it, I'm doing only where I need. And the face is now looking pretty much realistic. So now I'm moving to the sweater texture and the shirt texture. By the way, the size is A4, the paper is mixed media 300 GSM. You can also use for the watercolors, and I've used the Canson Montval paper for this one. I've gone to the market to buy some smooth papers, but when I came to know about this paper, I just can't wait because I wanted to try this paper. This paper was looking rough, and this was a mixed media paper, so it's really good for me. Yeah, but I want to try on smooth. But when I found this paper is actually really good, and not like the Art Essentials one that I have used previously. That is a bit grainy, but not this one. You can see no grains are here. Now I'm applying the highlights using a jelly roll. So now enjoy the video and enjoy the drawing.
You're the one I try.